Go. Keep going. Keep going. Return.
Return. Sorry, this is just.
Yeah. Again, keep going.
Let me see what I can flip. It does. I hope it does. I don't know.
Yeah. Return. Okay, so I would say by definition this is working. Thank you very much, Andrew, for your demonstration. My colleague is going to be typing some gibberish. And now he's going to go to the erase key. And there you go. Erase, erase, erase. Is it erasing?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Erase, erase, erase. It even erases. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.